Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to our Iteration 1 planning workshop. I'm the Agile Master and the Scrum Master, everyone, and these are my teammates. Before getting started, let's introduce ourselves.
Hi guys, I'm a full stack developer. I'm Prakash Dipkucha. I'll be working on both front end and the back end for this project.
Hi everyone, I'm Saeed. I'm also a full stack developer and I will focus on both the front end and back end for this project.
Hello, I'm Ivan, and I will also be working on front-end back-end development.
Hi everyone, my name is Hastings, and I'll be working on backend development and API handling.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashdeep Singh and I will be focusing on the software testing and bug fixing.
Hi everyone, my name is Oğuzhan Yüksel and I will handle both backend and front-end interactions and API integrations.
Hi everyone, I'm Mehak Ikkar and I'll handle backend operations and technical documentation.
Okay, let's get started then. So let's start with the first user story, which is a user can update their profile and set preferences.
I have a
Nice.
question. I have a
Nice.
question.
Go ahead.
Do preferences include privacy settings or just things like theme colors?
Preferences. Both privacy control, like who sees the profile, and basic preferences like theme and language.
Okay.
Okay, should the users confirm changes with password for security?
Probably only for email and password updates. Other fields can save it directly.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Any more questions, guys?
No,
I don't have any.
Okay, let's disaggregate it then. Oh, it's profile updation. So, designing the screen layout.
yeah,
The design and code the profile update screen layout.
That makes more sense.
Implementing the front end. Then there has to be back end too.
Also the API endpoints for profile updates.
Oh yeah, true. Do we need testing for this?
yeah, definitely
Does
we
that
need to
work?
test. Yeah, we need to test our profile update functionality.
So Brad and June SQL. So to design and code, implement frontend. Yeah, APIs. And then SQL. The heck. Right, SQL and right, and tune SQL
For updating
user
user
profile
profiles,
updation.
right? Yeah.
User profile updation. That's it.
I think we are missing the testing.
Yes. Should
Update
there be
functionality.
documentation or?
I don't think we're supposed to. Are we supposed to include it in here?
I mean, we can, but I'm not sure.
It's not really. I don't think it should be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
What about is it there in the one that Professor sent?
Yeah.
Like the reference?
I
Is it there?
think it is.
The documentation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add it then. Document profile update and preference setting functionality.
If someone is hot miking.
Ashdeep.
Is there any sound coming?
Yeah. There's like.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay.
Okay. That's it?
I think it is, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's fine now.
Who wants to do the first
I'll
task?
take the
Design
first one,
code.
guys.
Both of it? Okay.
I'll take the API.
Also take the SQL queries.
I can actually go with the
Yeah.
second one, the front end.
Okay.
In that case, I will do the SQL for updating the user profiles and preferences.
Yeah, and I will do the documentation.
Who wants
I
to
can do
take
the
the test?
test functionality.
Starting with Prakash. How much time do you think it's gonna take you?
Probably 2 hours.
So you have to go do it in one go. Think of
Yeah, I know. Yeah, 2 hours.
it. Sahid.
Actually, yeah, I should be able to do that within 2 hours.
Gold.
In my case, I may need up to 3 hours.
Oxen.
It will probably take 2 hours.
Or Steve.
I think 2 are good.
Mehak.
It's the documentation. 1 hour is enough.
Proceed then. So the second user story is a user can search for and connect with other users and join events. Does anybody have any question about that? Guys, no questions?
Will users be able to search by location for events?
I think yes, we are gonna add the location filter. And maybe also maybe tags like social and tech.
Okay.
Moreover, I also have a question concerning the
Mhm.
connect with other users. When
Okay.
connecting with users, is it just like a friend request or you are still following them?
No, just
Or
follow
like
system, not
Yeah.
mutual friendships. For events, users can join like publicly to the listed ones, but
Like
that's it.
not mutual friendships.
or just like you're following them or
Yeah, a follow system.
okay.
So onto the disaggregation. Just can search, connect, and with other users and join events. So obviously the basic code search screen for users and events.
Yeah.
Okay. Then there's gonna be advanced search screen.
Also, there will be like API endpoints for user connections and event joining.
Okay.
Then there's SQL,
Yeah.
like the backend.
API endpoints for user connections and joining events.
There will also be the test for the search, connection, and event joining functionalities.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, we might also need some advanced search screen so that they can search for users they want to connect to an event.
Did we just like
So-
combine the code search screen, like the basic and the advanced?
Okay, like we should make it one.
I think it should be different, I guess. It's in the
because-
post.
yeah,
let's,
exactly.
let's keep it
It's
different.
gonna
might
take
be too
more
big,
time
I
to do
guess.
that.
And the documentation, of course.
For users and events, yeah.
Okay, so we didn't get the SQL.
However, we need
Write it
the
down.
we also need the
SQL
UI.
for basic and advanced searches.
No, I think we are using MongoDB, so it will just say database
Okay.
because we are using the modern technology, right? With that we have mentioned in the proposal.
Yeah,
True.
it's gonna be
I
database.
totally forgot about that one. Got carried away.
Yeah, I think for the first one as well, we write the SQL. So just the schema, data schema, or the database.
Yeah, don't worry. I wrote
Yeah, she
MongoDB
fixed it
instead.
already.
Oh, you already fixed it. Okay.
Yeah,
We
MongoDB.
might also need the UI.
Mhm.
We might need to design and implement.
Sorry, MongoDB schema.
Okay.
You mean for like connections and events?
Yeah, for them to join. We
Yeah,
need the UI.
Designing
that's
the
true.
UI.
Yeah.
I think we should not write here designing because we have already designed. We should implement or just like developing the
Yeah,
UI.
we are implementing.
Yeah, implementing, yeah.
That's it.
I feel like we are missing something.
The documentation.
Oh yeah, documentation.
Oh yeah.
You need to document the search. You need to document the search, then, and also the connection.
Yeah, the element joining too.
Okay, okay.
Do we need to document everything?
Yeah.
I mean, at least the functionalities.
Mm.
Okay, do we have
That's
anything
it.
else? Users
Mm,
can
that's
search
no, I don't think so,
for
guys.
and connect with other users and joining events.
This one's basic, right?
I think
The
that's
first one's basic, right? Basic code search,
it.
then code advanced search. Yeah.
No, you mean like code basic search?
Yeah, could I have code basic search?
Basic and advanced search.
Okay. So who wants to take? We're done, right? Can anybody think of disaggregating like other
I think that's it.
tasks? That's it. Okay. So who wants to take the code search screen, the basic one?
Mm,
No one? I'll do it then. So who wants to do the advanced one?
I can do that.
What about the connection implementation, the UI?
Yeah, I can go with the UI.
I'll take the API again. Oh, sorry.
Okay, what about testing?
I will take that.
Going so long. Okay. Who wants to take the MongoDB backend, the queries?
Yeah, we handle that one.
You do it?
Yeah.
And I'll do
Okay.
the documentation then.
Okay.
So basic code search. It should take what, maybe 3 hours for me. Ivan, what do you say?
I think it will also take 3 hours probably.
Sahid.
Yeah, for the UI, it should be done within 2 hours, I guess.
Okay.
I'm
Steve.
expecting like 2 hours for this.
2 hours. Gold.
Practically 4 hours.
4 hours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Guys, can we? Okay. Can we go with 2 hours? What did the professor say? The max should be 4 hours, right?
So why
Yeah.
don't we split it in 2 parts, just like MongoDB for the basic and then for the advanced?
So like write and then write
Yeah.
should be 2
we can
hours and
do
then
that.
tune should be. Okay. Let's
Or
do
you can
that then.
just do write and tune for the basic and then write and tune for the advanced search, like the one you did for the basic code.
Got it.
Mhm.
So basic and then advanced searches.
Yeah.
Does anybody want to do this? Take this?
Mm,
I'll take it if nobody wants it. I don't want.
right. I think that's it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go on then. Here comes the third one. Okay. A user can browse, register for, and view event details.
Okay, so will there be any payment like functionality for this one, or will the emails be free for everyone?
So we're going with the free one because yeah, that's what we decided in the first iteration. Like the acceptances and
Oh.
stuff. Yeah, the proposal.
So we can implement the payment later on.
Probably, but according to our proposal, we're not supposed to add payments.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So if the event date changes, so Do users get the notification for that?
Yeah, they
Yeah.
will. I'm sorry, no, you can go ahead.
No, it's okay. You can go ahead.
Oh, will they get by like emails
Yeah, they
or
will. They will
just
get
normal
like
notification?
in-app
Uh,
notifications too, alerts too, along
Okay.
with the email.
Mhm.
let's disaggregate, guys.
Mm,
So definitely we need a code for the screen, right? For the event, yeah, for the event browsing and the
Event browsing?
details.
the backend code, like JavaScript. Okay. Then there is gonna be implementation of
Event registry?
the UI, event registration UI.
Mhm.
Um.
And the MongoDB for this one?
Yeah, there's that one
Yeah.
also.
For a second.
For event browsing and the details.
Then there's API endpoints. Or
Yeah, for the event
registration.
registration. Yeah. We need a testing as well. We need to test the event browsing, the registration, and the details
Mhm.
functionality.
Steve.
Yeah.
Your mic is making that weird sound again. It's like a tapping sound.
What's left?
The documentation.
Documentation. Yeah.
Testing.
And you can choose.
So, who wants to take the coding?
I will do it.
Who wants to take the UI?
I can do the second task.
Who's that?
I
Ivan.
think
Ivan.
Steve? No, Ivan.
I'll take
Okay.
the database.
Who wants to take the API, the endpoint?
How we address that, I'll do that.
I'm sorry. Well, do you want to take that?
Yes, I'm taking the API endpoints for the event registration.
I
What
will
about
undo
the-
the, yeah, we undo the testing.
You want to do the testing?
Yeah, we undo that.
What about the documentation? Who wants to do it?
I'll do that.
So,
Hmm.
guys, Prakash, how much would it take you to complete a coding?
I haven't done this before. Maybe 3 hours. 3 hours.
Ivan,
I guess 2 hours.
Augie,
Well, I think it should take like 3 hours.
Gold,
It should take me at least 2 hours.
and Sahid.
I think approximately 3 hours. I have a
Hours?
lot of things. Yeah,
Okay, great.
approximately.
Okay. Mac,
2 hours.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. You're good, right? That's all. So let's carry on then. Let's move on to the fourth story, which is a user can post discussions and upload content. Any questions, guys?
Can users upload comments or only the main posts?
I think to keep it simple, we should only like implement main posts for now.
Okay.
But we can we can add it in second iteration, and in case we're done with it early, we can just put it back in here in the iteration 1.
So should there be a limit on how many posts a user can make daily?
Mm,
Um,
oh,
Go ahead.
personally, I think there should not be a limit. Just that we need to monitor spam.
Yeah, I think there should be no limit.
Yeah, there should be no limit, I guess.
That's
Okay.
all.
Any more questions, guys?
No.
Okay, then let's carry on to disaggregating. So,
There's UI.
yeah, obvious. There's UI. So, discussion posting and uploading UI.
Yeah.
Then there should be the MongoDB schema and database, the backend.
MongoDB
Yes,
for
yeah,
hosting the
definitely.
discussion.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
for
uploading.
uploading too.
We have to also develop the API endpoints for posting and upvoting.
Right?
And the unit
We
testing.
have to develop the
API?
API endpoints. Yeah, API endpoints for those posting and the upvoting comments.
Hmm.
Yeah, and also we have to test it.
Okay.
We have to test those functionalities.
And the documentation.
Yep, the documentation too.
Mm. I think that's it, right?
Like disaggregating those tasks.
I think that's it.
Okay, we're good
These
then.
are already like long tasks.
Okay, so who wants to take the UI?
Oh, I think I can go for the UI.
Who wants to take MongoDB, the database?
I will do that.
API.
I'll do that.
Guys, I haven't taken the test, so I have written my name for the testing. Okay, I'm gonna do test for this one.
Okay,
Wants to
I'll
do
I'll
the-
take the documentation this time.
Sounds good.
The estimates. Saeed, how much do you think it will take you?
Approximately, it's taking like 3 hours for the UI.
Gold.
If it looks similar, I think it will take me 3 hours too.
Next, Mehek.
It is 2 hours.
Oh my gosh,
2 hours.
Augie.
I'll probably do it in 1 hour.
That's it?
Yep.
That's it, right?
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, then let's hear on to the 5th one. Let's proceed. The first story is an administrator can navigate the homepage to access the admin panel and notifications.
I have a question. Does that mean that with the admin panel have a separate login or use the same credentials? You understand me?
Yeah, I think same login, but admins will have like a panel link on the homepage.
Correct.
Oh,
Yeah.
Admins get a visible admin panel button post login.
okay. Makes sense.
Okay, let's disaggregate then. Any more questions?
No.
So coding the homepage. the homepage
Oh, we
layout.
have to create the layout first, implementing admin homepage layout.
Then the admin panel and notifications, the UI of that. The API endpoint is pretty much obvious by now.
Yeah.
Then the testing and the
Almost similar.
documents.
Mhm.
API endpoints.
Testing of admin homepage and panel functionality.
And then the documentation.
Yeah, we need one more. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So who wants to take the page layout, homepage layout?
I will take it.
What about the admin panel? The
I
UI?
can do that.
Ivan, right?
Yeah.
Who wants to do the API? What about the homepage?
I will do this.
The testing, sorry. Okay. And the documentation?
And
I can help it. Okay. Like I can help you out with this. Okay. Estimates. Prakash.
2 hours.
Ivan.
Same 2 hours.
I think it would take me around 2 hours too.
I think one is enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then Meg. 1?
1.
To the next one. So the 6th story is an administrator can manage user stories, reset password, and assign permissions. Any questions?
So there's something weird with it. So will admins be able to like delete users or just deactivate them?
I think deactivate first, and then the full deletion would require a separate process.
So I have a question. How many permission levels do we need for this?
Does anybody want to answer that?
Like probably 3, because like admin, community manager, event manager.
Yeah, let's
Right.
keep the roles distinct.
Let's carry on with the disaggregation then.
Yeah, first we have to implement the layout UI for the user management.
Guys, do we need the MongoDB for the 5th story? That the administrator can navigate.
Oh,
But I think if we are resetting the password, then it might need for that to store the new password.
Hold on, you mean for
no,
this
no,
one
not for
or
this
the
one.
previous one?
Previous one.
Previous one.
Oh, I just saw
Homepage.
the 6th one.
I don't think we do.
Okay.
Like it's just a panel, right? And
Yeah,
the
it's just a
notifications.
homepage. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, I was thinking like a bit too much in depth. Okay, anyways, so the user management UI, then there's gonna be MongoDB for this one.
Yeah.
Why didn't you MongoDB for user data management?
MongoDB for the user management.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Or just populate the
data
DB.
management.
Yeah.
The user data.
I guess we might need to develop some API also.
Yeah.
So that they
For
will able
the-
to for the password reset
Yeah.
as mentioned.
And the
moreover,
permission
for the
assignments.
yeah, exactly
Yeah.
for the permission.
And we also had to test for this one.
Test.
I think we need like the community creation, right? Not the data management. Or is it
Sorry?
the no, it's
The API endpoint?
Yeah, but no, it's more like just to reset passwords and permissions. No, actually, we don't need it.
Yes.
Is that- Okay, guys. The estimate. So who's gonna do what?
I
So
will.
the UI. Who wants to do the UI? Prakash, was that you?
I can go with the UI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sahid?
Yeah, I can go with the UI. So you undo it.
Oh, Said, you're okay. Okay, you do it, Said.
Okay. I'll take the populating the databases. Okay. Who wants to take the API?
Not me.
I volunteer to do that one. The API endpoints for password and permissions.
What about the
I
testing?
will take it. I am doing it.
The pro.
Oh.
Oh.
The tester.
Our
I'll
chief
do the
tester.
documentation.
Okay.
The estimate. Sahid.
I think I should be able to done with that within 3 hours.
Cool.
Oh, that's
Gold?
I do mine. Okay, gold.
Yeah, 2 hours should do for this one.
Okay, Steve.
I think it will probably 3 hours.
The testing?
Yeah.
There's a lot of
Okay.
data.
Okay,
That
1
makes
hour is
sense.
enough.
We're gonna help you out with the documentations, don't worry.
Yeah.
But we're gonna write. We're supposed to write only one name, so we have to write your own name. You're gonna do the major contribution. Okay. Story number 7. We're done, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's-
So a community manager can create communities. Questions, guys.
Okay, so what's the minimum info needed to create a community? Like the name or the description? Just
I think yes, name, description, and a category. That is like, for example, programming.
okay.
Makes sense.
So can anyone become a community manager?
I would say no, because admins will have to assign this role manually for now.
For now, at least, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Isabel. Okay. More questions?
Uh,
That's it? Yeah, then let's carry on to disaggregation.
Mm,
We have
The
to
UI?
create a UI for these communities.
Integrating. Okay.
Yeah.
And populating the database.
there's
That's
the
right.
database, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Add into yeah. Community creation. Yes. Then develop API endpoints
API.
for communities, like the community creation.
Yeah, guys. Also, we have to test for the functionality as well, the creation functionality.
And the
Documentation.
documentation.
Of course.
Yes, functionality. Okay.
Yeah,
That's it?
I'll take the database this time.
Okay.
I'm okay
Then
with my UI, guys. I'll do the UI.
you'll do the UI.
Yeah.
Prakash.
I will do the API.
Yeah, I can do the testing this time.
Testing. Who was that again?
Sai,
I'm sorry.
I'll do the testing.
I didn't look at the screen.
It's okay.
Mehak.
And then
Okay.
Mehak, your
Right.
documentation. We will help you, Mehak, don't worry.
Don't worry about it, Mac. It's not gonna be paired programming. It's gonna be group programming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Prakash.
Maybe 2 hours. It's a bit
Mm,
shorter one.
3 hours?
4 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Steve.
I think 2.
Sahid.
Yeah, Are we done in 2 hours?
Hours? Heck,
One.
Mm.
1 hour. Okay. That's it. Okay, story number 8. Community manager can create, edit, pin, and delete posts and announcements. Or announcements.
So how many pinned posts are allowed for a group?
Per group? I think there should be only one per group. The most recent one.
I mean,
So, does that mean that if a post is deleted, can we recover it?
Generally, I think if once the post is deleted, there shouldn't be a way to recover it. For now, to keep
no,
it
I
as
Yeah.
don't,
available.
yeah,
Yeah.
Yes,
Keeping
I
it
will
simple.
do it for later.
I
Yeah.
don't think we can. Yeah.
So that means we cannot undo a deleted post for
Recover,
now.
No, at least
yeah,
for
yeah.
now.
Okay.
So the segregation. The UI, the API, MongoDB.
Mm. There's testing too.
Oh yeah. Management and
And MongoDB.
Yeah, the
Mhm.
database.
let me just add check probable. The API and then
API.
then there's documentation.
Yeah, documentation. I think that's it.
No more?
Mm.
So who wants to take the UI?
I want to take the testing this time.
Testing? Okay.
Yeah.
Test post. Awesome.
Sorry, Ashdeep.
Yeah, I'm also okay with it.
Who
Okay,
wants
I'll
to
do the
take
API as well.
You want to do the API?
API. And the
Okay,
I'll
documentation
do the
as well.
documentation, guys. If Meg is taking
Oh.
the API.
Okay.
I'll take the MongoDB then.
Oh,
Who wants
okay.
to
Let me
take
go
the
with the UI.
If you can go for anything else if you want, like something else too, instead of just go for a testing.
Yeah, that's why I previously chose the API.
Yeah. I noticed he was
Mm.
like, I had enough of testing, so I'll take it.
Okay, let your part still win. Okay, that's the estimate. Sorry, Saeed.
Yeah, give me like 3 hours.
3 hours?
Yep.
It's gonna take me about like 3 hours too. Heck,
Yeah, 2 hours. 2 hours.
Augie.
Like 2 or 3. 3 hours.
3?
Yeah.
Prakash.
Guys, it will take me 2 hours. I'm doing it for first time.
Okay. There you go, we're done. So on to the 9th one. Community manager can create groups in communities. Any questions? Anyone?
Like, will groups be like private or public by default?
No, they're gonna be public by default, but community managers can like change the privacy later.
So will there be any sort of subgroups in a particular bigger groups?
No, we're gonna keep it simple for now.
Yeah.
Anyone else? No confusions?
I don't think there's like anything else.
So let's go with the disaggregation. UI.
Yeah. Group creation UI. And then there's database. The testing.
And also the backend for the group creation, the backend API.
Yes. Involving testing and then the documentations.
Yeah, documentation.
Document
Group creation.
creation. functionality
Testing.
and testing. It's okay, don't like go into the details right into. Just give it MongoDB for creation. Okay. Who?
I'll take the UI.
What?
Before Prakash takes it, I'll take the UI instead.
And I'll take the testing this time.
Then I will develop the backend API for now for this one.
And I'm doing the documentation.
We will help you with it, don't worry.
Who wants to take the MongoDB?
I can do that.
I will do
Arshdeep?
that one for now.
Wait, Arshdeep or Gold?
Gold.
Arshdeep was first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, you guys can parallel program, but we're only supposed to write one name. Well, pair program, not parallel. So the estimates. Augie,
3 hours?
Arshdeep,
2.
Or maybe 2 hours.
Prakash.
1 hour.
Okay. It's gonna take about 2 hours too.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Nick. Okay. Oh, I'm getting faster.
Mm.
Okay. Story number 10. An event manager can create new events.
So the draft event saved automatically?
Yeah, the draft are saved, but the managers can publish it whenever they're ready.
Okay.
Wait, guys. Also, what's the required info? Like date, location, description?
Like,
Prakash, I think dates, title, category, and a short description. Location might be optional for virtual events, don't you think?
yeah, like location might differ because like they will have meetings on Zoom and like all the platforms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it makes sense.
Okay.
Application. The UI. So
Yeah.
how event creation UI.
Uh,
Yeah,
event
for the
creation,
event
yeah.
creation.
If I call that. And then
The
populating
database.
the database.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
Rather sure know what it be for me.
You might need to test for some functionality, I guess.
yeah, the event
If the
creations.
if the event creation is working. And
And what else?
definitely you need
Documentation.
documentation, I guess.
Documentation.
So there will be no API, right?
No.
Not really.
Go one. Okay, so who wants to take the UI?
I can go with the UI.
I want to go with the database. If that's okay with everyone.
Yeah.
Just event creation functionality.
Testing?
Testing, I will do it. I will do it.
Okay. Okay.
Documentation.
The third one, right? Prakash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then document every creation. Yeah, who wants to do the documentation?
I can do
Except for
that.
Nick.
Okay, Arshdeep.
I will do that.
You have like a lot of load. Okay, estimate save.
You are muted.
Okay. For the UI, I'll be done within 2 hours.
Same for me. It's gonna take me approximately 2 hours. Okay, Prakash.
For me, it will take 2 hours. Yeah.
Mehak. Oh, Arshdeep.
I would say 1 hour.
Guys, excuse me for like 5 minutes. I will scroll
That's a
it down
long
like
time.
this so you guys can see it. I'm sorry, Gold.
It's a long time, 5 minutes.
That should be like at least carry on,
Yeah, we should.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can still hear you guys, but
Okay.
Let's go on. Let's
So
go on.
story number 11. An event manager can publish and update event details.
Can event manager change the date after user registers?
Yes, but he has to notify the registered users immediately via email.
Okay.
Okay.
What if an event is cancelled?
I think you should be able to add like a button so that they will be able to cancel an event. Then they'll get a notification that an event has been cancelled.
Yeah, makes
Okay.
sense.
Like,
That
does that
makes
make
sense.
sense?
Probably we can do it just like 24 hours before the event date is there.
No, let's keep it simple, Arshdeep. Just we will add the cancel event option, and that notifies everyone.
Yeah, that's all, only about the notification because we can't do just at the instant time at the event that we are canceling it. So we need to notify it prior a day before.
Yeah, he's right.
Yeah, makes sense actually.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
I think that is why the option that notifies everyone is there. So I think it makes sense that way.
Gold,
Um,
your sound is like a little bit blurry. The microphone.
Guys, let's stick to the tasks.
Let's delegate it next time. I think you need some sort of front end so that you can publish and update the event.
Mm-hmm. Front end.
Like for
Mm,
the event publishing event, yes. Then to update event.
and then there's gonna be. Okay, Meg, are you gonna the MongoDB? So like right into
Uh,
MongoDB for event publishing and updating. Develop API endpoint. Like the event publishing and updates. What else?
Of course, the testing.
The testing.
Yeah, I know.
Test event publishing and update. The document.
Yeah, settings front end. Yeah, let's just stick to the term UI.
Okay, instead of front end.
Yeah, instead of front end, just stick with the term that we first used. So it's like less confusing. Okay. So who wants to take the UI?
I will do that.
MongoDB.
Can you please scroll up? It seems your document is not moving.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
I can do the MongoDB.
That's fine. API endpoint.
I mean, I can take the API.
API? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll do that.
Okay.
Huh?
And the documentation as well.
I'll take the testing then.
What? No, Meg.
Let me
Oh,
go to the
because
document. I'll go to the
because
documentation.
documentation is easy. That's why I'm taking only documentation. That's why.
Let me go with
Okay.
documentation. I can help you with that.
Guys, Meg, let's just give documentation to Said this time.
Okay.
I can help you.
Leave it up to him. Yeah. We also need to like balance the workload. Okay, test event publishing update. Augie, was that you?
Yeah, I'll
Do
take
you want
it.
to take this? Estimate, Arshdeep.
I would say 3 years.
Ivan.
I think 2 hours.
Meg.
Maybe 2 hours. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Augie.
two should be enough.
Said.
Yeah, just 1 hour is okay.
Okay. That's it. So, story number 12. An event manager can register users for events.
This is for like adding users manually for invite-only events, right?
Yeah, like bulk upload via a CSV or manual entry.
Okay.
But what if the event is full?
We can probably add a waitlist option. So if there are more users than the event capacity, but I think we should do that for the iteration too. Just keep it simple till now.
Yeah, that makes sense, Arshdeep.
Segregation.
Coding the UI.
Yeah. The MongoDB.
Yeah, database.
API endpoints, testing, documentation. Just figure out the load, then you write the testing over the document.
And the testing, right?
Yeah. Who wants to take the UI?
I will take it.
MongoDB.
I'll take the testing.
I'll take the MongoDB again.
And I'll do the API.
API. Okay. Who wants to do the documentation? I'll do it.
Okay, we'll help you, Roman. Don't worry.
It's okay. Thank you. Okay. The estimates. Prakash.
2 hours.
Ivan.
Same 2 hours.
Back.
2 hours.
Augie.
One, just one.
Same. Just the documentation. Okay. An event manager can send announcements. 13 story.
Okay, so do all the announcements go to all the users or just to the registered one?
Only the registrants.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes
So
more
can
sense.
Yeah, there won't be any like spams.
can we schedule announcement, guys, in advance?
Alright, honestly, based from my own perspective, I think we should just make it like manual. So it will send to them immediately. So there's no need for like put a schedule.
But in the future, we can do that.
Okay,
Yeah, for the future we can do.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Segregation.
The UI,
Yeah.
code, event announcement.
Yeah, we need the coding event announcements.
And the database.
And testing the announcements.
Might need some sort of API.
And also the backend API endpoints for the event announcements.
Develop
And
API.
and we yeah, and also we have to test those functionality.
Okay.
And we also have to document the event frame announcement functionality as well.
Okay. Event functionality and the documentation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So who wants to take the UI?
I can do the UI.
Ashti.
I
Was it
think it
Ashti?
was Ivan. Ivan. Why you are getting so confused?
I think she's
guys
doing it
sound so
intentionally.
You guys sound so similar. It's so hard to tell. I'm
Okay,
sorry, guys.
I'll take the documentation.
Okay. So who wants to go with the database? No one?
Should I do that?
Sure, if you want to. API endpoints. Who wants to take that?
I will
Not
take
me.
it.
Okay, then I'll take the testing.
Guys, I'm doing the backend APIs for this one for sports.
Okay. Guys, just make sure not to like overwork, like overestimate and stuff. Okay. So how much is gonna take you, Ivan? Not thirsty, Ivan.
2 hours.
Ivan. 2 hours? Heck.
I think 2 hours.
Okay. Prakash.
I think half an hour.
So 0.5?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's good at it. Okay.
Because I've already created.
I think we cannot write probably
Yep,
in half. We
approximate
need to
1 hour.
approximate it.
Here you can write 1 hour.
You can't.
Approximate 1 hour.
I don't think. I think we're supposed to go with the Fibonacci.
But I think I have read it in the document maybe that we can't use it in the half. We need to approximate it to the nearest round of figure.
Exactly. Yeah.
Mm.
We
Really?
need to round up.
Okay, let's just.
Yeah.
Prakash, do you mind if I do it one?
Sorry.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna.
I think it's okay. Yeah, just do it one.
Okay, that's it, guys. So, story number 14. A user can participate in groups.
So participation means like posting, commenting, right? Or is it both of them?
Both.
Mm.
Like let users engage freely, but adding posts. We should also like add the option of reporting.
Mm.
Does that mean that users can create their own groups?
No.
No, I don't think
No.
only the community manager should be able to create
Yeah,
groups.
exactly. That should be for the community manager.
Okay. All right.
So the UI, core group participation UI.
Also, we have to tune the MongoDB for the group participations.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also we have to
API
create the
endpoints.
API in the backend. Yeah, exactly, Arshdeep.
Okay. Develop API.
Okay.
Testing. Test.
What else? Group
The
participation.
Yeah.
Participation.
We have to test it and yeah, and document.
Yeah, the documentations. Okay, so who wants to take the UI? Wait, I think I haven't taken any UIs. I think I'll do it. Who wants to go with the MongoDB?
I can do it.
API.
I will do it. Ashdeep.
Thank you.
I can do this one.
That's Ivan now. Okay.
And documentation.
Okay. Estimations. How much would it take me? Okay. Augie.
Like 2 hours?
What about Arshdeep?
3 years.
Okay. Ivan.
2 hours.
Mech.
1 hour.
Okay. Okay, 3 more stories. Wow.
15.
Finally, guys, we were in the end. Only 3 more.
Thank God. Okay. User story number 15. Users can navigate the homepage to view featured events, discussions, and notifications.
So how many featured events should show up at a single time?
I think we should limit it to 5 for now. Like with the carousel scrolling.
So who's gonna decide what's featured? Like, is it the admins or the algorithm?
Definitely. It should be the admin, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah,
we should have-
let's
Yeah, for
keep
now,
it
let's
simple,
just
guys,
keep it
because
together.
if we use algorithms, it will be more complicated.
Isn't it should be the event or the community managers who will be showing the featured events? Why why would the admin do this job?
The events, oh yeah, even
I
event
think that's
managers
what they
can do that.
meant. Like they meant to say event manager.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Arshdeep, you're right.
Yeah,
Event
we need
manager
to
will
use the
do it.
right terms. Event manager.
We're clear, right?
Yeah, everything looks well explained here.
Okay. So the segregation. Okay.
I think
The
we need to
homepage
code.
layout.
We need to
the
code the
UI.
homepage layout.
Yeah, the homepage layout and the UI
UI.
for the notifications and
And we also
events and
need
stuff.
Test
we also
homepage
need
functionality.
we do need API endpoints to retrieve data for the homepage.
Guys, it has to be the same as the one for the admin.
Exactly. They have the
Yeah,
same homepage,
you're
I
right.
guess.
Exactly.
Yeah, so the estimates are gonna be same.
Hmm.
We can change. We can like switch people. I want to take. No, it's okay. No, right now let's complete this first. Okay. MongoDB, then testing,
API.
and then documentation. It's literally the same as the admin one. Where's it? And navigate to here.
Hmm. Okay, I'll take the documentation.
Okay, I'll take the homepage layout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Thank you. Who wants to take the UI?
I will take it.
And I'll do the database.
API endpoints.
Oh, we don't do that. I'll do that one.
Homepage.
I can do that.
Testing.
Okay. It has to be the same, right? So 2 hours.
I'll do 1 hour.
It's the same. We can't change the estimates, right? So MongoDB is new. Mehak, how long would it take?
Maybe 3 hours.
Okay, then 2 hours and 2 hours. A user, okay. Story number 16. One more left, guys. A user can filter events based on categories for easy search. Okay.
Okay, so are these categories fixed? These are fixed, or we can customize it?
For now, we're gonna keep it fixed, and like maybe users can suggest other categories later.
Okay.
Makes sense. So will they be able to like filter them by date and the category at the same time, like together?
Yeah, I think it would be
Mhm.
much better if we combine the two. So they can filter by date and they can also filter by search.
That sounds much
By the
better.
category. Yeah. They
That
can filter
makes
by the
it
category.
easier, yeah.
So that's it. No more questions,
Yeah, I
guys?
think that's it.
Okay.
So disaggregation.
Okay, so there's the UI,
Okay.
right, for event filtering. And then there's backend. So MongoDB.
And also we have to develop the API endpoints for the event filtering as well.
Thank you, Prakash. And
Let's not
then,
forget documentation.
yeah, documentation. And there's testing as well for the filtering functionality. And then So there's UI, database,
We need some sort of API
the
so that
API.
they can filter the event filtering or event filtering. Then we need to test if
Test,
the filter is
testing.
working. Test for the filtering functionality.
And then the documentation.
And then the documentation. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Your column.
I think I did that. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Tell you, bro. Okay. Who wants to take the UI?
Okay, I'll take the UI.
Okay. Who wants to take the MongoDB?
Yeah, I can go with the MongoDB.
Oh, okay.
Okay, do you want to go with it?
It's okay. You can take it. I'll just take the API then.
No, I'm taking the API. If you don't
No.
mind.
Guys,
Please.
I will
Okay.
take the documentation.
Wait, okay.
I will take the testing.
Okay. Chill, dude.
Well, no,
Okay.
this is nice. So that
I'll
means
go.
like everyone has relative idea about every scope of the project. So welcome,
Yeah.
developers.
Okay. Great. The estimate.
Like 1 hour, maybe. It shouldn't be that complicated. Or maybe 2 hours.
For the MongoDB, should be done within 2 hours.
Okay, 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours for me too. 2 hours.
Arshdeep.
Same 2 hours.
I think it'll take 1 hour for me. One more story.
Community managers can create, manage, and pin posts in groups.
In groups, yeah. So, any questions?
Like, do pin posts will stay at the top like forever, or will there be a limit for it?
No, I think they should unpin after a week. Or like they can
Manually,
unpin
right?
them manually. Yeah.
Okay.
So does that mean that pin posts can be images or just text?
Yeah, it will be better if you use a combination of both, but there might be like a limit in the size of the image.
Files. Yeah.
Yeah, in the size of the
Makes
file.
sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah, guys, we are using the Atlas MongoDB cluster free one, so we don't have enough space. So
Yeah.
that's why we will keep it small for now.
Makes sense.
For now. Okay.
Makes
good.
sense.
Okay. Any more questions, guys?
Oh, no, not for me.
Okay. Let's carry on to the disaggregation then. So the post management UI.
Coding the UI.
The post code group management UI. Okay. Writing
The
and
backend,
tuning the
the database. Yeah.
Yeah, and also we have to develop the API endpoints.
Mhm. And API.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the documentation and stuff. There's also testing. So that's to group post management functionality.
The documentation, right?
Management.
Okay, who wants to take the UI?
I'll do that. Mehak.
As for the MongoDB,
I can
I'll-
I can
Guys,
do
I
that.
will
Ivan?
develop the API endpoints for the group post management.
okay, Prakash. What about the testing?
Yeah, I will go with the testing.
Zahid, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Documentation.
I will go with it.
Arshdeep.
Yes.
Okay. Now the estimates. Mehak.
3 hours.
Ivan.
Same 3 hours.
3 hours. Prakash.
Definitely 2 hours.
Zahid.
Yeah, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, Arshdeep.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Yes.
That's it, guys. We're done.
Are we done?
Now we
Yeah.
just need to
Okay.
balance it.
We have
Yeah,
covered it.
we need,
Workload balance.
we
Okay,
need to do the
guys, here's the
workload
thing.
balance.
Let's yeah, work for balance.
Just write
Calculate
each
your
person.
own. Calculate
Yeah,
your
right.
points.
Okay, I'll do it. Hold on. Let's do Roman first, right?
Mhm.
So
Again, each person can calculate their hours. Just say it out.
Roman. So there's 3 hours. And then 2
Okay,
hours.
let me calculate. Wait, let me calculate. Okay, go on.
And then 2 hours.
Okay,
3 hours.
okay.
3. 2. 2. 1. 2. 2. 2. 1. Okay. Maybe everyone should calculate their own. This is taking too long.
Okay,
I
I'll-
said
Yes,
it.
guys, otherwise it will take long.
Uh,
Yeah,
Just
Mine is
calculate
just,
the hour.
just do your own.
Yeah.
Mine is 20.
20? Who was that? Ivan?
Ivan,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. 20.
I'm having 24.
Okay. Arshdeep, great. It doesn't have to be the same, right? Just has
Not
to be
really.
like,
Yeah.
oh, let's do the estimate. Okay.
Okay, I have 26.
Okay. Not bad.
I have 21 hours, guys.
Hmm.
Okay, so I have 26.
I have 25.
Mhm.
Who is having 16?
Gold. Gold, do you have 16? Gold?
I think he is calculating right now.
Oh.
3, 4, 7.
I have just 16. I have 16. Or you can help me cross check though.
Mine's 25. Gold, you have
Yeah,
16?
gold is 16.
Prakash, what about you? And Augie, did you calculate yours?
21. I already said 21.
Okay, 21. Augie.
Yeah.
What about you?
26. I can change some of mine with gold if he wants to.
I think Gold, you can take some up from Ruman as well because she's other customer. She is a
Mm.
lot for her as well.
I'm the Scrum Master too.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah.
saying.
Okay, so
Gold, maybe you can take the testing in user story 8.
Yeah, what?
Okay.
Just
I'll
edit
just
the
fix it.
script, just edit it and distribute it.
Well,
okay, now he has
can
19.
for the community manager. I said I'll be doing it in 3 hours. I don't know, probably we can do it in less hours compared to mine.
Story number, please.
Number 8.
Story number 8. Okay. Zahid, 3 hours,
So-
2 hours?
Yeah, I
1
don't know if
hour?
you can complete it. Can you complete in 2 hours? I don't know. My capability is
UI,
3
right?
hours. Mine is 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours. Mine.
So you want to go with 2 hours?
No, I don't know if God can complete it within 2 hours. So that
Yeah,
we
But
I think
3
you
years
can.
also fine. If we can complete in 3 years, that's also fine. If you want, you can just share it with Gold.
Okay.
Gold,
Mm.
do you think you can do the testing for 3 hours? Or will it take less time? Or
I
more?
can do it for 3 hours.
Okay.
Okay. And Gold, I'll let you have the story 5 API endpoints.
Yeah, okay.
19, 20, 21. You'll have 21 points now.
I have 23 now.
Yeah, I can reduce mine. I have 25.
No, I think this is fair.
No, it's okay,
Like,
we're
this is
good.
good.
So this is
Yeah.
okay now, at least it's
We can always help each other afterwards.
Yeah.
Like, if we are done, let's say
Yeah.
I'm done, I can help some of you guys. Or if you guys are
Yeah.
done, you can help me out.
Yeah, we can do pair programming as well.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
I'll have 23.
So is there anything
Okay,
else left?
that's it. No, I think that's it. We're done, right?
Yes.
We probably did everything.
Let's take a look at the Excel card mark sheet for a second,
Yeah.
and then wind up.
Okay, Scrum Master.
So iteration here. Introduction. We did the introduction. Absenteeism is noted. Nobody's absent.
Yeah.
And nobody's late. So and it is led by each story was discussed. The team just disaggregated it together.
Yeah.
The list is complete. Everybody did it voluntarily.
Yeah.
And yeah, and the workload is consistent. That's it.
It is.
That's all.
Well, thanks for the meeting, guys.
Yep. Thank you everyone for
Thanks for the
joining.
workshop.
Thank you, Hazel customer.
You guys,
See you some other time. Thank you, guys.